Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Kmart Family Pie Maker bread and butter pudding. A little bit of a twist on this. We have some chocolate chip brioche here, and you can see all the little chocolate chips in there. That's going to give it a nice flavour. Okay, we just butter our brioche with some just salted butter. Don't be miserable with this, even though the brioche does have quite a bit of butter in the mix itself. Cut those into little chunks. 3 slices should be enough. And put them to one side. Now we've got our pie maker here. Okay, we're just going to make our custard for our bread and butter pudding. We've got 3 fresh eggs there, splash of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of just caster sugar there, and mix this all around until it's well combined and the egg is quite broken up. Add our cream now, mix it up. Quite a rich dessert. Have it with some fresh berries or a bit of ice cream. And with some milk now. So we've got half milk and half cream. Drop our brioche now and just sink it. We want it to soak up all of that eggy custard. Okay, and put that to one side. Now we've got our family size pie maker here. That's as far as I can take it because we've got a short cord. Okay, now we're just going to get the bottom piece of baking paper and scrunch it right up. Pie maker's not on at the moment. Unscrunch it and that will hold its shape in the pie maker when you push this little mould in to hold it into position. Okay, pretty quick so far, you'd have to agree. Take that out, in with our custard soaked brioche. Just even that out a little bit. Sprinkle on some nutmeg. If you've got fresh nutmeg, use that, but I haven't got any at the moment. I did have it and it went all menky on me. Alrighty, now, top piece of baking paper, this goes on there. Close the lid. Turn it on and cook it for about 10 minutes and it'll be ready to serve. Okay, after 10 minutes, this is what you should have. It's risen, bubbled over a little bit on the edge here. Don't worry too much about that. I'm just going to pop a knife in the center and see how it's looking, and it's quite cooked. A little bit soft in the center. I'm not worried about that. I'm going to turn that off now and leave it in there, and we'll be serving this after dinner. So this is ready to go. It'll stay warm in there and it'll just finish off a little bit of gentle cooking without burning. Just put that to one side and it'll be ready to eat when you are. Okay, dinner's over and it is time for dessert. It's still lovely and warm. It's just sunken down a little bit. We're just going to pop that out, fix it out like so. And that's just condensation. Wipe that out with a damn cloth. You don't even have to wash that. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's chocolate brioche bread and butter pudding cooked in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. Okay, we're just going to cut this into 4 and I'll show you what it looks like inside. See all the little chocolate pieces in there? Now that is going to be stunning. Okay, we're having this just with a scoop of natural yogurt and a sprinkle of brown sugar. And I don't mix that in with it. You can, but it's nice just to sprinkle over the top. There you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's chocolate brioche bread and butter pudding cooked in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. Okay, let's have a little taste, shall we? It's lovely and soft, beautifully set. Got a bit of colour on the top of it. Have a little taste, shall we? You can put cream or ice cream with this if you like, but the yogurt's just a nice little bit of tart, and the brown sugar makes it sort of taste caramelly. Thanks for watching.